Saving lives, it's a duty, a privilege, one of the greatest things one human being can do for another. For 64 years, the Red Cross and Land Rover have partnered on humanitarian projects in 24 countries across 4 continents. In 2017, we want to leverage our shared expertise and enable the Red Cross to save more lives. Project Hero is a unique version of the new Land Rover Discovery. This supremely capable vehicle is enhanced by the team of designers and engineers at Special Vehicle Operations through the integration of advanced drone technology.
My name is David Franschuma. I've been with the Red Cross for 11 years now. We're up here to test the new Discovery with the drone and identify how it will fit into the team and what role it can play. A few years ago, I couldn't imagine having access to this technology and being part of this project. We are searching for one missing female. There's a lot of technology packed into the new Discovery. It makes it a lot easier to clear communication channels so that everybody is linked up and ready to go. Autonomous landing and takeoff will make it much easier for us to handle the drone itself. We get the chance to identify signs of missing people around and hazards that can harm our personnel and dogs. Infrared camera technology is really useful because you can identify heat sources. The drone shows some building rubble. Have a look at that.
Moving out, over.
For me, all these ingredients, the technology, the new Discovery and our own expertise coming together will make a big difference and may ultimately save lives. This could mark the start of a new era in search and rescue.